It is our pleasure to welcome to the presentation of the Master Plan, a universe of opportunities, which is the result of the work of talented architects, engineers, and designers. This project is part of what was done during the Contemporary Integral Design class included within the Master Program in Architecture, Construction, and Sustainable Planning at Autonomous University of Guadalajara.
The project consists in the intervention of the area called La Base as our main point, located in the cluster number 21 in Hacienda Santa Fe, Tlajomulco de Zúñiga, Jalisco, Mexico. The master plan includes the analysis in a micro and macro scale, which will improve the functionality of the area. The main objective is to develop an integral solution in terms of urban planning, architecture, construction, and design, guided by sustainable principles. The proposal seeks to improve the quality of life of the people that lives in this community, having as pillars the citizen participation and the creation of a sense of belonging.
The place is established in the middle of segregated community, inhabited mainly by industrial workers. Also, it is important to mention that years ago the site used to be an agricultural area. Around 30% of the houses of Hacienda Santa Fe are abandoned. That's why the government has been working with the people in program of deterioration and insecurity caused by this problem.
After visiting the area, we identified the principal aspect where we can start working on solutions, which are mobility, urban infrastructure, insecurity, citizen participation, basic service, flows, sense of belong, and distant workplace and education.
During the analysis of the site, we noticed as an important opportunity to recently the government and different associations have been working on many programs and actions that involve the participation of the people in the community. With this fact, it is clear there is a lot of people interested in improving the actual conditions of the area.
After reviewing important information about the actual condition of the site, now will the present or the master plan propose, which integrity solution that they will improve the area in a social, urban, and sustainable way.
The concept for the master plan is called Universe of Opportunities, which is inspired by the identity of Cluster 21, but also on the idea of elements or cells that could be interpreted as planets that can integrate and work together in a functional way, as part of a complex system, in spite of their differences. Our intention here is to give the community the tools to keep on working and believing in infinite ways of chasing new opportunities.
The master plan completes the integration of the different projects designed by the members of the class, all of them offering a solution to a specific problem related to education, commerce, recreation, security, mobility, or sustainability. For example, within the project, the circulation are designed so that the bamboo wheelchair can move easily, or the coffee shop uses crucial glass in walls, cardboard furniture, and LED lamps.
This section shows the master plan distribution where we can identify the location of the workshop, the coffee shop, the educational space, and the temporary store.
In terms of mobility, the master plans includes number 1, access points for pedestrians at each street crossing and ramps. Number 2, emergency buttons placed in 3 strategic points. Number 3, recycling and cleaning points helping to be able to classify the garbage according to the type of waste. Number 4, bus stops placed at least every 70 meters. Number 5, diagram of bicycle lanes of 1 meter wide for great connection and respect for cyclists.
So in this mobility section, we can appreciate the distribution of the space considered for the pedestrian, bicycle, and vehicles such as cars, motorcycles, or mototaxis. This section corresponds to Yuxtapan Street, located in the perimeter of La Base.
Overall, we came to a conclusion that big problems can be solved by dividing them into smaller pieces. It is important to be cautious about the fact that there are still many areas where people's lives' quality can be affected by the social, urbanism, and sustainable effects, consequence of false information, absence of organization, and a good planning. And some of these conditions might feel as a boundary for improvement. That's why it's our responsibility as professional in terms of architecture, construction, and design to think about the solutions that can help connect the people with their own world of opportunities. Thank you again for your attention.